In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a database in MySQL Hostinger. Whether you're setting up a new database or transferring information between systems, this process is invaluable. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have the confidence to complete your database import with ease. Let's get started. First, navigate to the homepage of Hostinger by opening your preferred web browser and entering the URL for Hostinger's hPanel. This is the central interface where you manage all your web hosting needs. It's user-friendly and designed to make navigation straightforward, even if you're new to using Hostinger. Once you're on the home page, look towards the main navigation options where you'll find the dashboard. The dashboard is your launchpad for managing your websites and databases. Click on Dashboard to proceed. Here you can view all your websites hosted with Hostinger, so you can easily toggle between any of your projects. Next, locate the section for databases. Clicking on the Databases option will take you to an overview page where all your existing databases are listed. This is a crucial step because it's where you organize and manage your databases directly. Continuing, find and click on phpMyAdmin. MyAdmin is an indispensable tool within Hostinger that provides a graphical user interface for managing your MySQL databases. This platform makes handling database tasks more accessible, even for those with minimal coding knowledge. After clicking, you'll be redirected to MyAdmin's main page. Once you successfully land on the phpMyAdmin main page, you'll need to enter phpMyAdmin by selecting the Enter phpMyAdmin option. Doing this connects you directly with your database's management interface, making it possible to execute queries, manage tables, and of course, import new data. Now that you're within the phpMyAdmin environment, your next task is to look for the Import tab. Click on Import to begin the process of importing your database. At this stage, you'll need to upload your database file. Ensure your database file is properly formatted as a SQL, zip, or gzip file, which are the compatible file formats for importing. With these steps completed, your MySQL database import process is underway. Remember to review the import settings to ensure all selections align with your project needs, such as the type of format you're using. A successful import will maintain the integrity and organization of your data, setting a strong foundation for your site or application. And that's it. You have now successfully imported your database using Hostinger's phpMyAdmin. With practice, this process becomes routine, saving you time and ensuring your databases are always efficiently managed. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel free to revisit this video anytime you need a refresher or additional guidance. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your projects.